welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Rashika and I'm a final year medico in Sri Venkateshwara Medical College Tirupati, and today I'm gonna be giving you a whole room tour video of my hostel room. And already you guys have seen a sneak peek of how my room looks like in my previous room decor video, and in this video I'm gonna be giving a proper room tour, also be mentioning about what's provided by the hostel and how I set up my own little cozy corner. So without any further delay, let's get started. This is my room, and okay, let me show you the outer area of my room. Everything looks extra neat right now because I just cleaned it up before filming this room tour. This is the space where we usually dry our clothes, as you can see. From here you can also see the ground where we sit in the evenings, and we even have a badminton court right there. So that's the outside view of my room. Okay, this is my room, and in one go I can show you the whole room because it's such a small room, and currently we are 4 people in this room. So first things first, let me tell you what's provided by the hostel basically. So every student gets a bed and a study table and also a study chair. Also, one thing to mention here about our hostel's tradition is we don't live with our own batchmates. We share our rooms with the juniors and seniors. We mix batches, and that's how the room allotment works here. Also, one thing to note, in first year you don't have access to all the cupboards or the extra furniture which is provided by the hostel. You will be only able to use what's allotted to you by your seniors. Okay, this is the bed provided by the hostel, and this is the study table, and also this is the study chair. And please ignore the condition of my study chair because it's a borrowed one from one of my friend's room who's having 2 chairs in her room. So I borrowed one chair from her room, and yeah, it's doing a very great job, only just it doesn't have the upper portion, and I'm managing it with some plank. Okay, that's it about the things provided by the hostel. And yeah, also they provide a ceiling fan, and also a inbuilt cupboard is also provided by the hostel. And yes, mattresses is not provided by the hostel, so you have to buy it for yourselves. And if you are gonna be joining any hostel or you are fresher, you can also check out the previous video of mine in which I have mentioned in detail about all the hostel essentials you require before coming to the hostel. So as I already mentioned before that we are currently 4 people in a room. This side belongs to my juniors. There are 3 members, and this side here is mine. Let's start with my study space area. You have already seen a bit of this setup in my previous makeover shots, but here's the full look of my study space area. And this is my study table where I usually keep my notebooks, and also I have some stationery kept here, and also there is a drawer provided here, and this has everything related to stationery. I have my extra pens and extra stuff here, and that's about my study table. And this is my study chair which is also provided by the hostel, And here's a little cozy area to be shared with you all. So first, this is a picture of my mom and dad. Beside it, I have added a few motivational quotes. Right next to that, you can see the YouTube logo in my favorite color. It reminds me why I started making videos. And these photos here are of my friends. I have also put up picture of my siblings as well. This one is my girl gang, and this last photo is of my cousin, brother and sister who was a senior here before. And next to this, I have some small cozy corner. Here I keep my skincare, body care, hair care products, and in the lower section I got a few snacks and some fresh fruits. This entire section of the cupboard is mine, and I'll be showing you my wardrobe too. This is my wardrobe. It's pretty simple, not fancy. This is a place where I usually keep all my notebooks and also all the marrow notes and textbooks are all kept here. And beside this wardrobe, I keep my laundry bag. And now moving on to my bed area, this is the space where I usually rest, relax and basically unwind after a long day. So this is my bed and I have kept it pretty simple. Right beside my bed I have the small area where I hang my clothes, as you can see. Below that I have my trolley and also few parcels. And finally, there is a bit of storage space on the top of the cupboard. At the moment, I have kept my cooler up there because it's winter now and I'm not using it. This is all about my little personal space. Yeah, it's literally been 4 years since I joined this hostel, and I'm finally here. And in few months, I'll be leaving this hostel. And as there is a separate hostel for interns in our college, I'll be shifting from this hostel to that in few months. This room is so special as I have been here from my first year itself. I have shared the whole room. As I mentioned, this side of the room belongs to me and the other side belongs to my juniors. I was literally shifted from one corner to other every year. First I was in this corner, then I shifted to the other corner, then other corner, and finally I'm here, settled finally in this area now. And it's so special because my sister also completed her MBBS here, and she also used to be in this room only. It's really special for both of us. We literally shared so many moments. Back then I remember she used to cook food, and also we were having so many gossips, and everything was so special back then, and they were literally golden days when my sister was in this room. And I used to have so many perks having a sister who is final year, especially in medical college, because you will get to know what's the curriculum, you will get to know how the system works here, and also no ragging, and all the previous knowledge you require before joining medical college. Everything was so easy as she was already doing her MBBS and also in the same college. It was very easy back then. And I think many of you can relate with this thing, that shifting from one place to other for the sake of studies, and also creating some memories, some connections in the space, wherever you go. And finally the day will come that you should also leave that place and go to other place. And this everything is just life. And I'm gonna be missing this room. Yeah, I'll be missing this room so badly in few months. And as I also did the room decoration, because these were the last few months I'll be residing here, so I want the best experience or the best out of this room. I'm gonna be missing my juniors also. Everyone here is so peaceful, so calming. There is no disturbance in our room. Everyone will be in their own space, and yeah, I like them. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such videos. Okay then, bye.